In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your workspace picture in Slack. Whether you're aiming to refresh your team's visual identity or simply want to personalize your workspace, updating your workspace picture can be a straightforward process. So let's walk through it together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Slack app. Once you have it open, look for the channel list on the left-hand side of your screen. If you're slightly lost, don't worry, this is the same area where you access your direct messages and other channels you're part of. Now you need to select any channel you have access to. It doesn't matter which one, as the next steps will take you out of the channel itself and into the workspace settings. After selecting a channel, direct your attention to the top left corner where you will notice the name of your workspace. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, look for the option that says Workspace Settings. A gentle click here will guide you into a new page. Now that you're in the Settings page, locate the section labelled Set Workspace icon and give it a click. This is essentially where our customization begins. Sliding your eyes down just a bit, you should see a prompt or menu option. Select it to proceed further. With the options menu open, look for a button titled Upload Icon. Clicking this will allow you to browse through your files, choose the image you've decided on, and upload it. Remember, the picture you choose here will represent your whole workspace, so make sure it resonates with your team or company ethos. Once your image is uploaded, you'll be presented with the option to crop the icon. This feature is particularly useful as it ensures that your image fits seamlessly and looks professional. Take a moment to adjust the cropping by dragging or resizing the frame until you have the perfect fit. Once satisfied, confirm the cropping. You're almost done. Now simply click on Back to Slack. This option will return you to your standard Slack view, but with an updated vibe thanks to the new workspace image. It might take a moment for the changes to reflect, but usually a quick refresh does the trick if your impatience gets the better of you. Finally, it's always good practice to double check if the changes have been successfully implemented. Simply glance over to the top left corner where your workspace name is displayed. If you see your new image there, congratulations, you've successfully changed the workspace picture, and that's all there is to it. A few simple clicks and you have a fresh personalized look for your Slack workspace. Thanks for following along, and happy slacking.